Hello, Simon and Jacob.
Hello, teacher.
How do you feel today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Can you ask me?
Yes.
How?
How are you?
How old are you? How old am I? I'm 28 years old. Okay, great. Now let's start with a poem. We have 3 different poems over here. My watermelon, apples, and quiet. Which one both of you like to say?
Apples?
Apples. Okay. So this is apples for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
I want Simon to read the poem first.
Apples. Apples, apples in a tree. One fell out just for me.
Thank you. It's your turn.
Apples, apples in a tree. One fell down just for me.
Very nice. Simon, what's in a tree?
Apples
Apples are...
in a tree.
Thank you. Are the apples on the ground?
No.
And Jacob, how many apples fell down?
One
One apple fell.
down.
Thank you. And again, Jacob, where are the apples? Are the apples in the ground?
No.
No. So where are the apples?
In a tree.
Very good. Simon, please help me to find the letter A in the poem. Okay, how do you say?
Apple.
What sound does it make?
Apples.
So this sound is
Apple.
apples. Good job. Jacob, help me to find the sound. What sound? Help me to find the letter U. Letter U, please. Letter U. U. It is letter U?
No.
No, it is letter U.
No.
How about this one?
Yes.
Yes, this is letter U. Can you say the word? Simon and Jacob, how do you say this word? One fell down. Just. So
Just.
this is just. And
Just.
this is the sound. Sit up, please, Simon. Sit nicely. Thank you. So that's about the poem Apples. It is time for the songs. We have many songs over here. So which one do you want to sing? Simon and Jacob.
Pumpkin.
Do you want to sing Pumpkin?
Yes.
And Simon, please don't play with that. Thank you. Do you want to sing Pumpkin?
Yes.
Nice. Jacob, what color is the pumpkin?
Orange.
Nice. The pumpkin is
Orange.
orange. And Simon, is the pumpkin big or small?
Big.
Nice. Jacob, does a pumpkin grow in a tree?
No.
So where does a pumpkin grow?
In the ground.
In the ground?
On the ground.
On the ground. Okay, remember, a pumpkin grows on the ground. It does not grow in the ground. Thank you. And Jacob, what is big and round? Is the apple big and round?
No.
No, so what is big and round?
Pumpkin.
The pumpkin is big and round. Very nice. Simon, do potatoes grow in a tree?
No.
No. Where do potatoes grow?
In the ground.
Very nice. Do peaches grow in the ground?
No.
Where do peaches grow? Simon,
In
don't
the
eat it.
tree.
Very good. Excellent. And Simon, do beets grow on a tree?
No.
Where do beets grow?
In the ground.
Excellent. You know that. Are you ready to sing Pumpkin?
Yes.
Go.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, big and round. and Brazil grow upon the ground, and Brazil grow
I'm
up.
glad you don't grow in.
a tree, for then you would fall down on me.
Thank you. Simon, repeat after me. Then.
Then.
Thank you. Great. So that's pumpkin. Now we move on with a story of the day. Which one do both of you like to say? Me too. Everybody grows.
Everybody goes.
Simon, do you like everybody grows? Sit up, please, and say yes.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Before that, I have some questions for you. Everyone, two of you, what does everybody know? Jacob, what does everybody know? Everybody knows that.
Everybody goes.
Okay, do you grow?
No.
Oh, do you grow? Yes. Okay. Simon, what else grow? Do books grow?
No.
So what grows? Do carrots grow?
Yes.
Yes. Anything else? Simon? Do babies grow?
No. Yes.
Yes. What else grow? Okay, nice. The next question. So this is about everybody grows, right? Where do we put a seed?
On the ground.
On the ground?
In the ground.
Thank you, Simon and Jacob. We put a seed in the ground. Nice. Jacob, what do you give the seed every day? Give it.
Water.
Great job. Simon, do you give the seed water every day?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Simon, how do trees grow? Trees.
Tree. In the ground.
Grow in the ground?
On the ground.
On the ground? Okay. Simon, how does corn grow? How does corn grow? Corn grows. Simon, do you remember? How does corn grow?
In the ground.
No. Corn grows.
On the ground.
Corn grows up.
In a tree.
Corn grows up
To the sky.
to the sky. So again, how does corn grow? Corn grows up
Up to
to the sky. Nice. And Simon again, where do apples grow?
Apple grow in a tree.
In the tree. Okay. How do melons grow? Melons grow. Do melons grow orange?
No. Zero.
Yellow? Really? Melons. Melons grow green and round. Nice. And Simon, where do carrots grow?
In the ground.
Carrots grow down in the ground. Very nice, Simon. Okay, are you ready to read Everybody Grows?
Yes.
But instead of reading, I want you to sing. This is Everybody Grows. Are you ready?
Yes.
I want Jacob to sing first and then Simon. Go. Jacob. Every baby is...
So small. Then you grow.
Simon, listen to your friend. So very
Tall. Everything grow to you.
Jacob, can you sing louder?
That the way
It looks to me. Okay, next one, Simon.
Put a seed down in the ground. Watch it grow on the ground. Give it water and you say, can keep it. Can.
It's getting bigger every day. Now, two of you sing.
Everybody knows that everybody grows. Everybody knows that everybody grows. Some grow small and some grow tall, but everybody grows.
Simon, you first.
Gold grow up to the sky. Apple grow on trees so high. Melons grow green and brown. Can grow down in the ground.
Jacob.
Everybody knows that everybody grows. Everybody knows.
Everybody grows and
everybody
knows.
knows. Some grow small and some grow tall, but everybody grows.
Jacob, you're next. Babies,
We grow and little chick grows.
goats, and pigs, and
birdie grows.
pigs.
Pigs,
No, pigs.
pigs
Good job. Vegetables
grow.
and sit around trees
So
and fruit.
oh,
Go out, grows out. Simon.
everybody grows up. Everybody knows.
Everybody knows.
knows. Some grow small, some grow tall, but everybody grows.
And that's the
Yeah.
end. Thank you to of you for singing Everybody Grows for me. Now, it's time for a book. We have Orange and 5.
Orange.
Do you like orange, Simon?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Simon, is your hair orange?
No.
Okay. What orange things do you see in the book? Jacob.
Orange is a caterpillar.
Nice. Simon?
Orange is a butterfly. Orange is a fox.
So you see an orange butterfly, an orange fox. Jacob. An orange, over here, the picture please. An orange jump, an orange, what it is? Box. Good job. Look at the book please, Simon. Simon, what do you see?
Orange is
No, don't sing please. Say, what orange thing do you see? I see an orange.
Orange caterpillar.
Very good. Orange caterpillar. And Jacob. I see orange.
Ice cream.
Do you like orange ice cream, two of you?
Yes.
Nice. Now, let's sing orange. Go. Simon first.
Orange is butterfly. Orange is a fox. Orange is a jump. Orange is a box.
Good job. Simon.
Orange is a caterpillar. Orange is a bee. Orange is the ice cream that's all over me.
Two of you again.
Orange is the ice cream that's all over me.
The
end.
Thank you. Is this book orange?
Yes.
But are the chairs orange?
No.
No. What are you, Simon? Are you a mouse?
No.
No.
I'm not. I am not.
Jacob, sit nicely. And Jacob, are you a boy?
Yes, I am. I am a boy.
Great job. Simon, are you a girl?
No, I'm not. I am not.
Very good. Simon, are you a marker?
No, I'm not. I am not.
And Simon, are you a baby?
No, I'm not. I am not.
Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not. I am not.
Great job. Are you Simon?
Yes, I am. I am a Simon.
Don't say I am Simon again.
I am Simon.
Very nice. Okay. I say one word. You tell me how many sounds do you hear in the word? Okay? In the word fun.
Fun.
Oh, the first sound is what is the next sound? Say again. Fun. So good job. So how many sounds?
Three.
There were 3 sounds. Everyone say again. Fun.
Fun.
Very nice. The next word is me. How many sounds do you hear? E. So how many sounds?
2.
There are 2 sounds. Simon, say again.
In.
E.
A.
Me.
Me.
Great job. Okay, I think that's all for you today. So thank you, 2 of you. Goodbye.